There are many reasons why every teacher should visit at least one foreign country. Seeing firsthand how other cultures educate their children can be eye-opening and may give teachers new ideas to bring back to their classrooms. In addition, teachers who travel abroad can serve as ambassadors for their students and help create a more globalized world. Every teacher should visit at least one foreign country to broaden their cultural horizons and develop a better understanding of the world. By visiting other countries, teachers can learn about new cultures and customs and see how education is handled in different parts of the world. They can also develop new relationships with other educators, which can be beneficial both professionally and personally. In conclusion, there are many reasons why every teacher should visit at least one foreign country. Teachers who visit other countries can learn about different cultures, gain a new perspective on education, and build professional networks. Additionally, visiting another country can be a fun and rewarding experience. Visiting other countries can profoundly impact a person's life, and this is especially true for teachers. There are several reasons why every teacher should visit at least one foreign country. First, it can give them a new perspective on the world and their place in it. Second, it can help them to develop a greater understanding of other cultures. Third, it can provide them with new ideas and techniques that they can bring back to their A teacher's job is to educate their students on the world around them, but how can they do that if they've stayed in their home country? Seeing the world is an integral part of a well-rounded education, and it's something that every teacher should do. There are a lot of benefits to visiting other countries, including gaining a new perspective on the world, learning about different cultures, and developing a better understanding of global issues. There are many reasons why English is necessary. It is the language of business and international communication, and it is also the language of science and technology. English is also important for education and cultural exchange. Every teacher should visit at least one foreign country to experience different cultures and to see how English is used in different contexts. In conclusion, English is an important language for several reasons. It is the language of international business and commerce, and it is the language of science and technology. English is also the language of the Internet. English is important for educational opportunities and for employment opportunities. Every teacher should visit at least one foreign country to better understand the value of English.